Hi, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I got my ponytail. I've washed my hair and I've oiled it, and now I'm just going to put it up in a bun for the week. Today is Sunday. I colored my hair on Friday, I want to say. Yeah, Friday. Look, I have my hair is falling out because it's kind of dry. Although I've applied some oil already, I've oiled my scalp, and I'm gonna use this brush. I've oiled my scalp, but you see the ends, I really have to. I use the hydrating hair mask. I use a hydrating hair mask weekly, I think, and then I do the protein mask once a month. Maybe I should start doing the protein. I should interchange hydrating, protein, hydrating, protein. I think it's going to work much better for me. I'm doing a curly ponytail. And my hair is kind of still damp. It's not completely dry, but I'm getting ready to go meet my friend. So since I started showing you guys how I have I've made my pony, this one, look here. Maybe I should have straightened my hair, but I usually don't. I usually just I wash it, then I wash it, then I just apply gel on it. This is the gel I'm using. I used it in my previous video, the Extreme 24 hours of extreme control gel. It's the one I'm using. Don't mind that bulge there. I'm gonna work on it. I think it's still on this channel where I said I wasn't on this channel. Of course it's on this channel. Duh. It's here that I said, oh, I think it was a year ago or 2 years ago. Oh, because somebody had asked me about my gray hair and made a comment about it. Or was it on Instagram? I don't know. Somebody made a comment about me having gray hair, and I was like, yeah, it's genetics and blah blah blah. But after I gave birth, the gray hair, it's having its error. I think it's what's that, dandruff? It's thriving. The gray hair is thriving. So obviously my friends have commented about it. My friends have made jokes about it, and it never bothered me before. But the other day I was on a video call with my mom, and my mom was like, yo. It's the way she said it, and she said it in Luya. It made it so bad. I had to buy dye. I bought dye and I dyed my hair. You know, there are those things that people say, but when they say it like in English, it doesn't sound so bad. But then when they use mother tongue, when she used mother tongue, I knew this thing is bad. Well, the front is looking good. The back though, I'm going to do my baby hairs. It's gonna be fast.
Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors.
Really not good. I'm really not good at it. I've just sprayed got to be gel because I want to wear this ponytail for a week, and I really hope.
Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch.
Does hold on.
Who am I? I'm so flagrant.
The good thing about using got to be, the only thing you have to do is spray water to reactivate. The problem is, I don't know how it will react to this. I'll let you guys know. When I'm editing, I'll pop in and I'll tell you. Okay? I promise. So for this. So I've already fixed it. You saw in the previous clip how I took two bundles. Wait, are you seeing it? Yeah, I took two bundles and I just used the sewing machine to put them together, which makes it easier. Because if they're separate, I found it difficult because it was all over the place, girls. It was all over the place. So I sewed them together, and now I'm just going to connect it with my.
Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors.
You wanna take your, after you fixed it, you just wanna flip it and turn it round. Okay, you flip the hair as you turn it round. To be honest, I like this style. You see, it's already covering up my hair. Because of the volume, because when you use the other ponytail, you really don't get that much volume. But this way, you get volume. So I've reached halfway, and I think I'm going to use this bobby pin just to fix it. You know, because you don't want it falling off. Like when you're, let's say, for example, if you're maybe going out, or you're dancing, or you're working out, or you have to run for the train. So I've just fixed it with two pins. You don't want to really go deep onto your scalp because you're keeping it for a week. Of course, you can also do a low pony if you want. The only thing you have to remember to do when you're doing it with extensions is really use your bobby pins to fix it, because you don't want this thing falling off on your way running when you're running your errands. Could be embarrassing. Obviously when I go to bed I will remove it, but for now I need another. Let me use the other bobby pin. It's behind here. Now I'm really damn sure that this thing ain't gonna move an inch. So it doesn't look fancy when you look at it at the top. It really doesn't look fancy. To be used if you're going to do this hairstyle just for the first time or the second time. This is like my second time doing it. If you're going to do it, just do it. Take an hour. Start an hour earlier, or 2 hours earlier should be enough. And if you're in a hurry, just order the finished ponytail from my website, which I will be doing a relaunch, and I will tell you guys when. Most probably at the beginning of 2024, because I have a lot of I have to do, like I have a photo shoot to plan. Yeah, and I have to find a way of adding Twint, the payment system, because that's one of the most used payment systems in Switzerland currently. So yeah, I'm still figuring that out. So now we have the ponytail and it's sitting the way it's supposed to be. Now I'm gonna take some hair from behind as much as you need to cover up the tracks at the front. So, like so. Here we go. And then we're just gonna use the bow pin to fix it. That's my pony. There. I don't think I need this bobby pin. So there we have it. Let me get my makeup done, and then I'm gonna show you guys the complete look. If you've watched this video till this point and you really like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next one.